So I do this character like make circle and circle. Okay, just make the two circle like this. So I just okay, one more. First make this that much. That is um, okay. So now after that you can make it something inside once more. Circle like this and this, okay, and create a eye, like a eyebrow. 1, 2, and nose and mouth like this. Okay, here you can make the ear. Like this. And make it the hair. Okay. Like this. So this is first do this. Hello beta, let's start. So first I make hi. First make the circle. Start the drawing. First make a circle. Okay, like this. First make a circle. So I just draw character with this. Make circle character. Okay. First make circle and do this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Just take your time. Okay, the same thing is there, no problem. Shalini, Kelvin Anvita, Adiradan, Mick. Yeah. Now I can create another character with this circle only. Okay, this is like this. I make a V here. Okay.
Why, sir? That is only, sir.
Okay, first make this is I draw another one with the glass. This character with the glass. See, this is a bee.
First, I draw the face, sir.
Yeah, first draw the face. See, this make it another character. Okay, simple. Make it glass. Okay. Just erasing this part. Nose and mouth. Okay. So I create this same circle but different character. See, this is a different character. So just draw two character with the two circle. Okay. Take your time.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Like this.